Does the majority of interior design from developers look flat and without character? Yes, it does. Here are few simple tricks we use to fix it quickly. Number one, upgrade the lighting. The standard builder grade ceiling lights and shiny chrome finishes, change it. Swapping them out is one of the fastest way to add warmth, dimension, and personality to a room. 2. Add contrast through materials. Developer furnishes tend to be flat and glossy. We like to bring in matte surface, natural wood, and textured fabrics to create visual depth and make the space feel more layered. 3. Add interesting decor details. Newer homes often lack unique pieces, so we create them. This can be paneling, wallpaper, sculptures, paintings, or other curated elements that make your interior feel personal and intentional instead of generic. Follow us for more interior design tips to make your home stylish and functional.